Consonant digraph WH. Words that start with WH. Why, who, when, white, wheat, whale, wheel, whistle. WHE. When, wheat, wheel, where. WHI. Whip, whiz, which, wine. Why did the white whale eat wheat, and what was it doing with the wheel?
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.